This is mountain mahogany. There are two species of mountain mahogany in San Diego County, one near the coast and this one in the mountains. Cercocarpus betuloides is the scientific name. Cercocarpus refers to the circular fruits later on in the summer when the whole hillsides are covered with a kind of a fuzzy sheen on these plants. The betuloides means birch leaf like. So the leaves on this plant resemble the leaves of the birch tree. After the fires come through, or after some of the Native Americans have burned little areas with these shrubs, after about 3 years, some of the straight stems that come back can be used for spear points. There's a little hair-streaked butterfly where the caterpillars will eat only members of this group. It's called the mountain mahogany hairstreak. This is a member of the rose family. Rose family members have hard wood and little tiny, usually white flowers. You can see the flowers on this plant will ultimately result in a very long, skinny remnant of the flower called the style, which will be fuzzy and curly. And the fruit will develop with one seed inside. That fruit is called an achene. One fruit, one seed, common on mountain mahogany. This plant goes clear into southern Oregon, over into Arizona, and into Baja. Quite extensive in the chaparral. Some chaparral stands, maybe 80% mountain mahogany. You'd call that mountain mahogany chaparral. Other shrubby members of the rose family in the chaparral: serviceberry, toyon, crabapple. You can see the elongated inferior ovary, which ultimately will become the fruit. A portion of the flower will elongate, and all those little flower parts that are drying up on the end will drop off, and you'll have maybe a 2-inch elongated structure, the style left over, and at the base of the style, the ovary will develop into a fruit with one seed. The little style part will be fuzzy and curly and very prominent in the summer. You can look at hillsides that just shimmer like an old man's beard in the sun. Cercocarpus betuloides in the San Diego mountains.